Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the oil drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Crude oil prices have surged to a 3-month high, with Brent rising nearly $10 per barrel since the government slashed duties on petrol and diesel last month to lower prices. The rally in crude prices has occurred despite forecasts of a sharp global economic deceleration. The Bank of England said it was satisfied that Britain's top banks could be shut down without putting at risk the stability of the financial system or disrupting customers, but it found shortcomings at 3 major lenders. Japan's government and central bank said they were concerned by recent sharp falls in the yen in a rare joint statement, the strongest warning to date that Tokyo could intervene to support the currency as it plumbs 20-year lows.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's manufacturing production at 0600 GMT. The UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.